बेंगलुरु के पीयूसी और दीगर तलबा व तालिबात के लिए सुनहरा मौका। बिल्कुल कम फीस पर तमाम अहम कोर्सेज अब हासिल किए जा सकते हैं। हसनाथ ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन ने बच्चों के बेहतर मुस्तकबिल के लिए मुख्तलिफ कोर्सेज को मंजर आम पर लाया है। यूनुस मोहम्मद सेठ की सदारत में चलने वाली हसनाथ वुमेंस कॉलेज के मुख्तलिफ कोर्सेज में दाखिले अब आसान किए गए हैं। हसनाथ ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन का वेबसाइट का इफ्तिताह भी अमल में आया है। मोहम्मद फारूक के हाथों इस वेबसाइट का इफ्तिताह अमल में आया है। अब www.hasnath.in के जरिए तमाम जानकारी हासिल की जा सकती है।
The website as such, okay, which has been launched now, is a means of communicating with the larger world. Okay, it provides the visibility to the community at large, not just the students of the college, but basically the staff, the alumni, and people who actually want to know about the college themselves, right? The design of the website is such that it is very sleek. It is it has a lot of information, comprehensive information. It is very user friendly, and it sort of is going to be a hub of resources to all the stakeholders, especially the students. Today, to be a data scientist or perform data analysis, you don't necessarily need to have an engineering degree or any of those things, right? Basically, you can be from any stream. All you need to do is have flair for data crunching, data numbers. You crunch the data numbers, right? I mean, that is the key thing. You need to be analytical. You need to be able to interpret data, and that is sufficient qualification for anyone to become a data scientist as such, whatever stream you belong to.
I sincerely thank our chief guest, Dr. Farooq sir, for humbly accepting our invitation to preside our website launch today, and our dignitaries on the dais. I will not take much of a time for you there here, maybe a minute. Since we had a website which had non-informative with all collective information from the teaching staff and from the management, we were able to do a website which has very comprehensive information about it. Any parents who want to know about what he or she wants to know about her child to understand, this has all the information about it. Rather coming to a college from far away, they can, over the website, we have made informative for them to understand. And there's a small inquiry form in it where you have just given information to us. Our staff will revert back to them with all collective information.
We had a couple of websites, but this is a new kind of website. We have launched it today for all the viewers or our students, the parents and everybody. You get all the information about our college, the admission process, the subjects what we have, the groups, and all that information will be available inshallah. And apart from that, Hasnath is always being trying to do something new. Especially we are focusing into girl child's education, as everybody knows about it. We are the oldest college here, so we are doing our best, inshallah, that we do something our best for our students, our existing students, and for our upcoming students also. So alhamdulillah, we are into the motto of doing all these things. Admissions have already started for PUC, and I have a very good announcement to do that. The students who are taking the admissions before 15th of April, we have a special discounts for them. So grab this opportunity, students. That's what I can say.
I would like to congratulate my college for its official website launch. The most inspiring fact about our college is it is constantly upgrading its facilities, its teaching methodologies, and constantly working on students' development. Students can get all important informations online now, and they can get enrolled online as well. our college provide us many ways to upskill ourselves, right from literary aspect to our creative aspect. I'm very proud to be a part of this college and looking forward for upcoming opportunities. Thank you.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನು ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನೇನು ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನೇನು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಏನೇನು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.